Okay, now question number 16. Question number 16. It is 2 seconds which are intersecting outside. And again 3 questions. CE, this is given 54. This is given 23. To find angle A, measure angle A is equal to half measure big arc CE. When it is inside, total, and half when it is outside, maximum minus minimum. That is 54 minus 23. 1 dash 1 dash, so 31. Correct. 54, 23. 31 half. Fifteen and half. This is your question number 1. Sub question 2. Now, no need of this. Now segment wise. AB is 4.2. B to C 5.4. AE total. AD question. A to E is 12. Our formula is from intersection AB into AC, AD into AE. AB is given 4.2. AC full, because BC it is given, no? So total 9.6. AD we have to find out. AE giving 12. 4.2, 9.6, 12, AD. EDSA 12 EDSA, but it is point. Now 2 decimal. Twelve EDSA 96, then 42 EDSA. So 2 decimal we need, correct. That is AD. Third part. Now given AB third part. AB 3.6. Total AC it is 9. AD it is 5.4. Find AE. Again from intersection. AB into AC. AD into AE. This is given 3.6 into 9. 5.4 into AE, that we want. So 3.6 into 9, 5.4 AE. Decimal cut. 9 6 are 54, 6 6 are 36. Now 18. Diagram I will draw here. O, P, Q, R. Now again, PR, this much is given 140. Angle is given 36. PR is question. Again, angle is outside, so subtraction. So first, angle O, major angle O is equal to half major arc minus major arc. PR bigger minus small PQ. But this is given 36. Major angle O. Half of 140 minus major arc PQ. 36 double 72 is equal to 140 minus major PQ. This side the plus major arc PQ. 140 minus 72. 70, 140. So 2 less, so 68 degrees. Now second, OP square OQ into OR. OQ into OR. Now, OP is given 7.2. OR it is given 16.2. This we want. But first we will find this. So OP means 7.2 square. OQ we don't have. OR is 16.2. So 7.2 into 7.2 divided by 16.2 is equal to OQ. So 72 into 72, 162, 1 decimal 100, 1 decimal 10. Correct. Just make it half. 81. Just make it half. With 9. 9 4s are 9, 9s are 9, 8s are 32 by 10. OQ. So OQ 3.2. This is 3.2. Correct. Now we want PQ. PQ is equal to PO minus OQ. 16.2 minus 3.2 13. Correct. This is 13. One more calculation is there. One more calculation. Tangent secant O Q R P. Now in third calculation, OP 7.2 again. OR full 16.2. Sorry, that we have done. OP 7.2. OQ is 3.2. This much is given. This given and this given. Correct. So OP square is equal to OQ into OR. This is given 7.2 square 3.2 OR. 7.2 into 7.2 divided by 3.2, it is OR. Correct. So 72 into 72 divided by 100, because 1 decimal, 2 decimal. This is 32. So 1 decimal. This cancel, this cancel. Correct. Now with 4 we can cancel. With 4. With 4 I can cancel. With 4 I can cancel. Make it half. 18 nines are 180 less 18. 162. OR total is 16.2 and this is 3.2. Remove 3.2 to 13 only. This. How to show? PO RO is equal to RQ plus QO. 16.2 is equal to RQ plus 3.2. This comes this side. 16.2 minus 3.2. It is 13. So in 1-1 diagram, they have asked 3 different type of the question. Now wait, don't go away.